Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove a draft in Gmail easily and quickly. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or clearing unwanted drafts, this updated guide will walk you through each step so you can get it done in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your emails and drafts are visible. Once you're in, take a quick look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap it. When the side menu opens, scroll a little until you find the option called Drafts. Tap on it to open that section. This is where all your unsent or unfinished emails are saved automatically by Gmail. You'll likely see a list of drafts that you've started but never sent. Now, to delete a specific draft, find the one you no longer need. Press and hold on that draft for a second or two until it becomes highlighted or selected. Once you've selected it, look toward the top of your screen. You'll see a trash or delete icon appear. It usually looks like a small garbage can. Tap on that delete icon. In an instant, your chosen draft will be removed from your Gmail account. If you had multiple drafts to delete, you can select more than one before tapping delete to remove them all at once. And that's it. Your Gmail drafts folder is now cleaner and better organized. This is especially helpful if you use Gmail frequently, and your draft section fills up with half-written messages over time. Remember, once you delete a draft, it's gone for good, so be sure you really want to remove it before confirming. Doing this regularly keeps your Gmail app neat and ensures you only keep emails that really matter. Thanks for watching.